Hey guys, so I'm back. It's the next day. So what I've learned, I don't know if waiting 24 hours exactly is ideal because, you know, I put my hair in a low pineapple, kind of makes a dent. It's not a big deal, like, honestly. And I feel like my hair dries pretty decently the day that I do my hair, so I might start just doing this. Oh wait, I need the bathroom mirror. I forgot. I'm in my downstairs bathroom. And I'm like, I might need to wait because my husband's upstairs taking a shower. And that's where I had the double mirror. So I might actually have to wait to do this. I mean, I could get started. I can just see the back once he's out. So yeah, this is how it's looking. It's dry. It's like a little damp still, like right in the middle, but it's damp. It's not gonna shrink anymore. This is how it's sitting. This side obviously sits shorter than this side. It sits like here, while this side sits like here. So, we're gonna see. I'm only gonna trim from the front down here because I can't see the back. I'll look in the double mirror once he's out the bathroom. So I'm gonna start with this side. I also want to turn my head to the side, I think, because I want to see, make sure no hair is tucked behind my ear. And just see like where everything is falling. It looks like, okay, before I start anything, let's measure it. So I'm willing to cut to 6 inches curly. So from the front, I'm gonna make a line. I'm not, do my measurement like I always do. Look straight. From the front, 6 is here. So I'm gonna make a mark with my pen. I was looking for a black Sharpie. I know I have one, but I couldn't find it. So I'm gonna just use this like gold pen that we had from our wedding, because that's all I could find. I bought this turtleneck specifically for my curly length checks. I'm gonna mark it right here. 6-inch mark. And then I'm gonna do the same to the other side. And then when I go upstairs, I'll mark the back as well. And then like every time I get to a milestone, like 7 inches or whatever, I'll just rewrite a mark. So these are the marks right about here on each side. I'm gonna take my fingers and lightly break it in half. And I'm gonna start off looking at it, analyzing it, seeing where it sits. You see me? I'm so nervous because curly length only. There's no turning back now. We're gonna be curly girls from this point forward if I do this. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. I can't believe I'm gonna cut my hair, but honestly, my curls look terrible. And like the shape just looks bad. So I'm just trying to relax. Can you tell I'm stalling? I just want to shake out my hair, make sure it's like the way it's like loose and I can't believe I'm cutting my hair, y'all. Lord, I pray that when I do this, I get the results I want. I get the curly growth that I want. And I'm a curly natural and I don't regret this. Alright. Alright, we're gonna do this. No, we're not gonna do that. I'm right-handed, so it's kind of hard to cut from this side. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just like, okay, one more time. All right. Oh my God. I did it, y'all. Okay, I could cut a little more. So it's sitting right at the 6. I don't think I'm gonna cut any more than that on this side for now. And we're gonna do the same to this side. Alright. Let's start a little bit lower so I can show you guys. No turning back now. Now, I'm not someone afraid to cut my hair, but I've never cut my hair like this before. And then the front, I'm gonna cut a little bit on the side since it's yay! I got a curly bob. All right, let's just do this and see how it looks. But my hair is looking crazy curly. Like there was no way I was gonna be able to wear my hair curly like that. All right, so how's the back look? I have to like do it from the back too, I think. I think the longest piece, like this, damn, like several inches off. All right, so this is the front. It's still like obviously heat damaged, but I feel like it looks a lot better than it was looking before. Yeah. This is the back. Before I look at the back, I have no idea what the back looks like. I'm going to also cut these strings in the back. I think I missed once I get to my double mirror. I just wanted to get started because I was just tired of waiting. And hopefully when I wash my hair the next time, it looks the same like this. Hopefully the shrinkage doesn't change too much. I know that sometimes with like extra weight on your hair, it can cause it to shrink, like elongate more. But you know what? At the end of the day, I'm regrowing out my entire head, but I'm maintaining what I have, and I also am growing it out. So this is 6 inches curly. The next time I do a shaping like this, will be when it's at 7 inches curly. But yeah, I just wanted to, like, this is the last time I'll do a shaping like this. Until then, I should be at 7 inches curly by November. So that's the next time I'll like reassess and see like how or if I want to cut it. But yeah, it looks a lot better now. I feel better. You want to see the curly hairs in the sink? Let's see. Those are the curly hairs in the sink. This is what we're working with. This is how much I cut. Just heat damaged hair. So, you know, is what it is. So yeah, guys, I'll be back when I do this back. I feel like there's like a tail there or something. So when I get to that, I'll be back. Just want to show you guys how it looks now up close. As you can see, the roots are, like I said, from that 3 months where I didn't get my hair straightened. This is all my natural texture. And you can see the change in like how the integrity has changed. It's how thinned out it is. So yeah, my hair used to be really, really thick, like all over. I want to get back to that, but longer, and the full texture that it is. So yeah, this is what I got going on right now. Yeah, but you see how stringy this side is, especially the front is like super stringy. And as you can see, it starts to get a little full, like more up here, where it's like a little healthier. Even here you can see, I mean, this texture is already like naturally like more wavy, but it's thicker and like more, you can see the texture is different than this stringy thing. So yeah, we're gonna get there. We're gonna just another growth journey, but curly. The third mirror. We're gonna have a look. No, it's not that bad actually. I'm gonna take my measuring tape. I'm just gonna mark off. I know you guys can't see, but I need to see. There's 2 markings. That's because when I put my arm up, the measurement changes a little bit. So I like look at it down to make sure it was perfect, with my arms down to make, and this line here is the correct one. So from this end, it sits right there, so I'm not going to do anything about that. I thought there would be some pieces that were like a taper. I thought it was going to be like a V, but it doesn't look like that to me. Again, it's curly hair, so it's not going to be like perfect like straight hair would be. It's at 6 inches. So the next time I do a shaping will be November. This is my hair. Just curls, you damage, just you damage. So I hope you like this video. I hope you like my new plan. Like I said, it's something I never tried before. I've done everything else under the sun. And I think I'm gonna just embrace my natural curls. 100%, definitely. So, yeah. Hope you guys will continue to watch. Stay tuned. Yep, the goal is curly length, waist length. So that means I want it to be under my boob, curly in the front, and then right here, waist curly in the back. So that's my goal. So yeah, I hope you guys will stay tuned for the next video. Thanks, bye.